Hello students, welcome back class 11. Today I am discussing our new topic joining and grouping. Okay, joining and grouping. Okay, so today I am taking this example database school we know very well, and table student, we can say student is our main table, we can say parent table. In this SID, SNAME, date of birth, ACT, pin code and fees. Data type you can see SID integer, but this is our primary key. SNAME character 20. Here constraint here I am using not null. Means here name must be input. Date of birth you can see in this structure year, month and DD, but data type or here constant is not null. ACT character 15, unique constraint, pin code data type character 6 and constant default. Fees you can see decimal 7,2 means total 7 and after decimal 2 digits, and check constant and 101 Rohit and date of birth quota 31300 4500.35 102 Hitesh Pali 313002 6300.55 103 Rita, date of birth Jaipur 313001 75.85. So this is our student table, and this SID we can reuse in our marks table. In our marks table this SID we can reuse, you can see. So here SID integer okay, but here SID here I am using reuse. So this is our foreign key, and this foreign key of marks table completely depend on student table SID. Okay, subject you can see character 20. Here I am using check constraint, and marks you can see this is number, so integer and check constraint. So here 101 Rohit, only two subject Hindi and English, but 101 means this is a Rohit. Okay, the name of the student is here Rohit. Rohit have two subject Hindi and English, 80 and 70. Another student is 102 Hitesh. So you can see 102. Okay, here we can understand 102 means Hitesh, 102 means Hitesh, but Hitesh have two subject Hindi and English. So you can see 40 and 50. But in this marks table we cannot see the name of the student because we want to join. We want to join student table and marks tables based on keys. So you can see here student SID and marks table SID. So on the basis of first we joining this table, then we can see the complete detail. Okay, so today I am discussing about joining operation. Okay, so joining two tables. Okay, joining means this is our first table, and after that we can join our second table. After that we can join the second table. So we have several joining methods. First we use cross join. Okay, so we can say all possible combination of rows from two tables. Okay, both match and unmatched row include. Okay, so here I am using select star from student because here we need two tables. Joining require two things. So here I am using student comma marks. So you can see here we have two tables. Okay, and semicolon. And same command you can write in this structure, select star from student, we can use join and marks semicolon, and same command you can use in this style also, select star from student cross join marks. So you can use any style. So what is the output of this command? So you can see all the rows of student table and all the rows of marks will multiply. Okay, so you can see this is our output, you can see. Okay, so you can see the output of this our joining. Okay, this is our joining table. So you can see SID, SNAME, date of birth, city, pin code, fees. This is our student table columns, but here SID, subject and marks, this is our marks table data. So you can see here 101. Okay, you can see here 101, 101, 101, 101, 101, 101. Okay, and here you can see 102, 102, 102, 102, 102, 102. Okay, so here you can understand the SID and here SID. Okay, so this is our matching or unmatching rows. You can see here 101 and here 101 is matching. Here 102 and 101 is not matching. Here 103 and 101 is not matching. Here 101 and 101 is matching. So you can see in this cross joining, we can say this is our cross joining. So in this cross joining, based on student table SID and based on marks table SID. But here matching and non matching rows, all combination you can see in the cross join. Okay, this is your student table and this is your marks table. But in cross join you can see all the combination of matching and unmatching. Okay, so you can see total in this have 4 rows and here we have 3 rows. Okay, so we can say 4 multiply 3, so we have 12 rows. Total we have 12 rows. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 11 12. So total we have 12 rows. So you can see. Okay, but in the next join we want to see only matching rows. We want to see only matching rows. Non-matching row I don't want to see. So for this purpose we can use equi-join. Okay, in equi-join we can see only matching rows. Okay, so simply we can write here you can see here 2 table, student and marks. Okay, so student table SID column, student table S name and marks table SID column and marks table subject column. So we clearly type table name and the particular column name, table name and the particular column name. Clearly we can mention, and clearly we can mention student comma marks 2 tables. But here we must use this line. Here this line is most important because student table SID we can join marks table dot SID. Student table SID equal to marks table SID. So this is our joining command. So what is the output? So you can see the output of this. You can see here SID, S name. Okay, and because here I am using this command also, so star means, so the output you can see. So date of birth, SCT, pin code, fees. So this is our student table output, SID, subject and marks. But in this table you can see only matching row is available. 101 101 101 101 102 102 102 102. So student table SID, marks table SID, only matching row you can see in the equi-join. For equi-join you can use this style. So here where command is most important. First we use primary key and foreign key column. So echo this will give this output. Okay, so you can see here Rohit Hindi subject and 80 marks. Clearly you can see here Rohit English subject 70 marks. Here Hitesh Hindi marks 40. Here Hitesh and 50 marks. So you can say this is the output of joining. This is marks table. This is our student table. So we can join our table. Okay, for viewing purpose, only for viewing purpose, and clearly we can see the complete detail. Okay, and another way we can use in this style also. First we can use aliases. Aliases means first we give a temporary name of student table table temporary name S, marks table temporary name M. Okay, this is our temporary name. We can say aliases, and this name we can reuse s.sid, s.sname, m.sid, m.subject. Okay, so we can also use aliases, means short name we can use our table name, then this name we can use to access a particular column, and this we can use in our joining s.sid and m.sid. Okay, so you can see, and same command you can use in this style. Select star. Star means all the column of marks table, all the column of student table and all the column of marks table. You can see star means, and we can use from student join marks on basis of student SID is equal to marks dot SID. So we can say equi join. So common field 2 tables you can see 2 times. 2 times means student dot SID is marks dot table SID. You can see the same column you can see 2 times separately, marks table SID and student table SID. Okay, But in next command we want to see SID only one time. SID I want to see only one time. Here you can see two times, but I want to see SID only one time. So for this purpose we can use natural join. So a common field of two table, common field show only one time. So next time SID show only one time in the natural join. But in equi-join, SID of student table, SID of marks table, you can see two times. But in natural join, SID column, I want to show only one time. Okay, so you can see clearly. Simply we can use select star from student S. Okay, here student table we can use short name as natural join marks M. Semicolon. So internally automatically student.sid and marks.sid will join, and this common column you can see only one time because this is our natural join. So what is the difference between equi-join and natural join? In equi-join we can separately see student table SID and marks table SID, but in natural join the common column we can see only one time. We can see only one time, but output is same, but here SID only one time. And so you can use this command practically. Select star means all the column of student table and all the column of marks table. Okay, but here SID is common column, so you can see only one time. From student S, natural join marks M semicolon, then press we can enter. So you can see this is our output. So you can see this is our joining output. So we can see student table data and marks table data in one place. Okay, so clearly we can see 102 Hitesh, English 50 marks. Okay, so this is the power of joining. So now you know the difference between equi-join and natural join. Now we can have another type, left join, matching row of first table and non-matching rows of second table. Okay, so you can see we can use same command. So here I am using select student.sid. Here I am showing selected column student.sname, marks.sid and marks.subject. And here I am using student table and marks table, but here I am using left join. So according to student table, not marks table, because here is left join. So according to student table, you can see on student SID is equal to marks.sid. So you can see in student table 101, 101, 102, 102 is available, but in student table 103 Rita is available, but Rita did not give exam. Rita did not give exam. So here no subject. So we can see here data will empty. But this is our left join. So marks table have no data, so it will display null means an unknown or missing information. So left join we can see the complete detail according to the student table. But in marks Rita have no exam, so it will give null. So you can see left join. But before you can see our natural join, only matching row you can see. Okay, here when data is not available in second table, so it will show blank because Rita did not give exam. So you can see. Now the opposite of left join, we can use right join according to marks table. According to marks table, because marks is our right table and student is our left table, but here I am using next time right join. So according to marks table we can perform. So matching row of second table and non-matching row of first table. So same command you can copy and paste. Same command you can copy and paste, only one change, here left, here you can use right. Okay, so according to marks table, here left according to student table, here we can use right. So here according to marks table. So you can see marks table you have 101, 101 Hindi English, 102 Hindi English, and according to this only we have two students. So there is no possibilities of null. Okay, so there is no possibility of null because according to marks table we have exactly two rows. In marks table we did not have 103 data. So there is nothing possibility. So only matching row type you will see. So but here marks table, according to marks table data you can see. So we have joining, cross join, equi join, natural join, left join and right join. So 5 type of joining we can perform with the help of select command, and we must use primary key column and foreign key column, student.sid and marks.sid. Okay, so I want to revise once again. So in cross join we can see match and unmatched rows. Okay, simply we can count the total number of rows, 4 rows, and total number of 3. So 4 multiplied 3, we can say 12 rows. So total in cross join we can see 12 rows, matching and no matching. But I want to see only matching rows, so we can use equi-join. We can use where student.sid and marks.sid. So you can see SID and SID, student table SID and marks table SID. But here one problem is, here common columns show 2 times, but I want to show only 1 time. So here again we can perform natural join if you want. So you here only is SID show 1 time. Now left join, according to student table we can show all the data. So here you can see 103 Rita, but Rita did not give exam, so it will display nothing. And we can, opposite of left join, we can perform right join. So according to marks table, but marks exactly have 4 data. So here we can see this output. Okay students, so today I have discussed about joining commands. Okay students, thank you so much.